In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your AI laugh using ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to ElevenLabs. Open your web browser and log into your account at ElevenLabs.io. Once you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech interface. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll find everything you need right there on the home page. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to talk about how to make your AI laugh. Instead of typing out traditional text commands, you're going to physically enter phonetic representations of laughter into the text box. So for the AI to produce a realistic laugh, you can simply type out words like ha-ha, he-he, or even ha-ha-ha. It's important to get that sound just right, so make sure you choose the variation that fits your needs best. After you've added some laughter sounds, you might want to mix them in with some dialogue. This really brings your character to life. Imagine a scene where a character is telling a funny story and can't help but chuckle in between their lines. You can easily do this by placing your laughter phonetics seamlessly in the text. For example, instead of just saying, "I can't believe that happened," try something like, "I can't believe that happened. Ha-ha." It makes the character much more engaging and relatable. Once you have your text set up just the way you want it, it's time to generate the speech. Look for the Generate button on the interface and click on it. Almost instantly, the AI will process your input and create a voice track incorporating your laughter. After the generation is complete, take a moment to listen to the output. This is where you can really refine your work. If the laugh doesn't sound quite right the first time, don't hesitate to tweak it. You might want to play around with the spelling. You can adjust ha-ha to ha-ha-ha or alter the length of the laughter to add more emotion. Keep regenerating until you achieve that perfect chuckle that fits seamlessly into your script. This process is all about experimentation. Feel free to try out different combinations of laughter sounds and dialogue. You could even switch between different styles of laughter to see what feels more appropriate for your character or situation. The versatility of ElevenLabs allows for a lot of creativity here, so use that to your advantage. Once you find that sweet spot where the AI's laughter feels perfectly integrated with your dialogue, you'll see how impactful it can be in enhancing your projects, be it a video, a podcast, or any other audio content you're working on. So, that's it. You've just learned how to make your AI laugh using ElevenLabs. Embrace the creative potential of this tool and have fun with it. Remember to experiment, listen closely to the output, and fine-tune until you get the laughter just right. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.